If you're possibly thinking of selling your home, or if you're just looking for more information, be sure to message me below. I will follow up with a free home seller consultation. During that, you'll discover exactly what you could sell your home for in today's market and how you'd stack up against the homes that are not yet sold. Also, we can discuss if doing any repairs or slight modifications could possibly help you walk away with any more money and how much you will receive when you do sell. Listen, I get it. Selling is scary. As a seller, there's a lot to consider and think about, and I know because I just personally closed on 2 of my own investment properties and I've sold over 1,000 homes. It was still nerve-wracking. But know this, when you arm yourself with knowledge and you have somebody guiding you on the best options, it is not something to be so nervous about. The perfect way to start is information gathering. Message me below or feel free to just give me a call. Oh, and as an added bonus, I'm going to send you some listings that are for sale to help you find the dream home based on your future needs and wants. Looking forward to hearing from you, and thanks again. John Herman of Property Up.